How to solve Rubik's Cube with beginner's method. Start by making the cross. Next, solve the corner pieces. Just like this. First layer done. Next, insert the edge pieces for the second layer. If you're still watching, comment your fastest solve below. 2 layers, done. Next, make the cross on the top. And then orient all the edges correctly. Next, get the corners to their correct spots. And the last step is to simply solve the corners. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed. See you next time.